A very good morning to my lovely Pathans. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well and you are enjoying your classes. Okay. So today we will do the book exercise of chapter 2. In the last class we had completed the explanation of chapter 2. So today we'll do the book exercise in which we will do MCQs, true false, fill ups, some full forms are also there, and crossword and match the following. So today we'll do this. Okay, so let's start. Okay, here is chapter 2, computer inside the system unit, book exercise. Okay, so everyone just open page number 18 of your book. So we'll start. I'll mention here as well the page number. Page number 18, 19 and 20. Okay, so first is tick the correct answer. So dash protects the internal electronic components from damage. सो वो क्या चीज़ है जो आपके इंटरनल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंपोनेंट्स को डैमेज से बचाती है, प्रोटेक्ट करती है? विच पार्ट इज़ दैट? योर ऑप्शंस आर रैम, ALU, सिस्टम यूनिट. सो योर आंसर विल बी system unit. Okay, so I will highlight it, system unit. Okay, you have to tick on the box which is in front of system unit. Now second is dash controls each part of computer. Dash controls each part of computer. Which part is that? Very good, CPU. So just tick on the box which is in front of CPU. Third is speed of a CPU is measured in dash. CPU की स्पीड को हम कैसे मेज़र करते हैं? योर ऑप्शंस आर मेगाहर्ट्स, गीगाहर्ट्स और बोथ A and B. So what will be the answer? Yes, very good. Your answer is both A and B. So tick on the box which is in front of both A and B. Fourth is dash is a volatile memory. Volatile means that your content will be lost when power goes off or power is switched off. आपका जो कंटेंट है, डाटा है, वो लॉस्ट हो जाता है जब पावर ऑफ हो जाती है. सो विच मेमोरी इज़ दैट? यस, रैम, रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी. So tick on the box which is in front of RAM. Next, fifth one is dash converts the wall outlet AC power into DC. So which part of your system unit converts the wall outlet AC power into DC? SMPS, switched mode power supply. So tick on the box which is in front of SMPS. Dash drives are used for holding data and instructions for future use. So वो कौन सी ड्राइव्स हैं जिनमें हम डाटा और इंस्ट्रक्शन स्टोर करते हैं फ्यूचर यूज़ के लिए? योर ऑप्शंस आर रैम, CPU, डिस्क. सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? Very good, the answer is disk drive. So tick on the box which is in front of disk. Okay, all of you done? MCQs. Now come to true false. You have to write capital T for true and capital F for false statements. Okay. So first is motherboard is also known as system board. क्या मदरबोर्ड को हम सिस्टम बोर्ड भी बोलते हैं? वेरी गुड, येस इट इज़ ट्रू. सो जस्ट राइट capital T. Okay, I will highlight also. So the answer is true. Now next is speed of CPU is measured by speedometer. क्या CPU की स्पीड को हम स्पीडोमीटर से मेज़र करते हैं? No ना. So it's false. So write capital F in front of the box. You have to write capital F. Third is hard disk drive reads information stored on CDs और DVDs. क्या हार्ड डिस्क जो है वो इंफॉर्मेशन को रीड करती है विच इज़ स्टोर्ड इन CD और DVD? द आंसर इज वेरी गुड, फॉल्स. बिकॉज CD एंड DVD के लिए वी यूज़ CD drive. So the answer is false. Hard disk we use for storing the data. Hard disk we use for storing the data or your information, instructions. Next is RAM stores the data permanently. क्या RAM data permanently save करती है? Very good. The answer is again false because RAM stores our data temporarily. वो सिर्फ कुछ टाइम के लिए हमारे डाटा को सेव करती हैं. So all of you done? Okay. Next is an adapter card is fitted in the socket on the motherboard. Adapter card को हम socket में सॉकेट में फिट करते हैं ऑन द मदरबोर्ड. येस, द आंसर इज ट्रू. ओके, सो वी हैव डन द ट्रू फॉल्स. नेक्स्ट विल डू fill in the blanks. First one is a dash is a large circuit board inside the system unit. लार्ज सर्किट बोर्ड किस चीज़ का होता है आपके सिस्टम यूनिट के अंदर? यस, मदर बोर्ड. सो जस्ट राइट डाउन इन द फर्स्ट फिलअप मदर बोर्ड. ओके, आई एम हाईलाइटिंग द आंसर सो दैट इट इज़ विजिबल टू यू क्लियरली. ओके, सो मदर बोर्ड इज़ द लार्ज सर्किट बोर्ड which is inside the system unit. Second is CPU is also called dash or dash. CPU को और हम किस किस नाम से बुलाते हैं? CPU is also called, very good, processor. I am highlighting here. और माइक्रोप्रोसेसर. Everyone just write down in the second fill up processor or microprocessor. Okay. Now the third fill up, dash is called primary memory. प्राइमरी मेमोरी किसको बोलते हैं हम? यस, वेरी गुड, रैम. RAM is known as primary memory or main memory. Okay. So in the third fill up, everyone write down RAM and you have to write in capital letters. Okay. All the abbreviation must be in capital letters. Now the fourth one, dash port is used to connect the internet and network cable. सो विच वन इज़ दैट पोर्ट जिससे हम इंटरनेट और नेटवर्क केबल को कनेक्ट करते हैं? नेम दैट पोर्ट. वेरी गुड, नेटवर्क पोर्ट. सो राइट डाउन नेटवर्क पोर्ट. ओके. सो इन द फोर्थ fill up, write down network. Dash are a number of holes and slots into which you plug in computer devices. So जो number of holes और slots होते हैं on the back side of system unit where we used to plug in the computer devices like your mouse, keyboard, printer, scanner or your speaker or microphone. Okay, so what we call them? Wonderful, port. So write down ports. Ports are a number of holes or slots into which we plug in computer devices. Okay, we have done the fill-ups. Now next is write the full form of the following. Now we have to write the full form of these abbreviations. So first is CPU. You all must be knowing this CPU. Yes, very good, Central Processing Unit. So for you have to write the first word capital. Okay, first letter capital of every word. So write here Central Processing Unit. Okay, if you want I will highlight it. Next is RAM. So who will tell now? RAM. Yes, very good. RAM stands for random access memory. So in the second one, just write down this random access memory. Third is ROM. It's very easy. Yes, Lakshita, very good. Read only memory. So I am highlighting it. Just keep on writing with me, okay? Last is SMPS. So who will tell this SMPS? Tell me who is going to tell this. Yes. Okay, Ranvijay. Very good. Switched mode power supply. Switched mode power supply. So you can see I have written first letter of each word capital. So you have to write in the same manner. Okay. So we have done with the full forms. Now come to solve the crossword. on page 20, also known as main board. So we have done in fill-ups also, in true false. What we call, what's the other name of main board? Yes, motherboard. So write motherboard in the first crossword. Just fill in the crossword. First one, motherboard. Okay, you have to fill this crossword from left to right, motherboard. Now the second one, used to store data and information. Which is used to store data and information? Hard disk. So just write down hard disk in the second one from left to right. I am highlighting so that you can easily see. So you have to write hard disk in the second one from left to right. Now third is also called CPU. Also called CPU. So in the third one you have to write processor from top to bottom. So just write processor from top to bottom. Okay. Fourth is fitted in the socket on the motherboard. Fitted in the socket on the motherboard. Just now we have done this. Yes, adapter card. So write down in the fourth one from top to bottom. Adapter card. Okay. Now the fifth one, converts AC power into DC. It's easy. Fifth one, you can easily tell, hints are also given, 2 letters are already written in it. Yes, SMPS. So in the fifth one from left to right you have to write SMPS. A number of holes and slots, what we call? Sixth one from left to right you have to fill. Yes, ports. So just write ports from left to right. Also called main memory, अभी किया था हमने, that is RAM, primary memory और main memory. I hope this is clearly visible to you. A read only memory. The eighth one, read only memory from left to right. Yes, ROM. So we have completed the crosswords. Now come to match the following pictures with their port's name. Pictures you can see here. This picture is of what? दिस इज मॉनिटर पोर्ट, मॉनिटर को कनेक्ट करते हैं हम. ओके, सो दिस इज मॉनिटर पोर्ट. Now what is this? Yes, speaker port. So just connect it with the speaker port. Now what is this? जहाँ से हम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी देते हैं कंप्यूटर को, which port is that? Yes, power port. Okay, so just match it like I am doing here. Now here on the right side, the first one is your HDMI port. First one is your HDMI port. Okay, and these are your USB port. So match them with the USB. And the last is your network port. Okay, so everyone clear? So we have done the book exercise, we have completed. So everyone has to complete this exercise in your computer notebooks and revise it also. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask in the live session, or after this we will be doing the question answers of this chapter, and once we finish the exercise along with your question answers, then you will be having the class test of this chapter. So I advise you that keep revising the book exercise or question answers whenever we do side by side, so that it is easy for you to learn. Okay, so till then, take care and thank you for attending the class. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.